Hazardous Materials Code Compliance. In addition to our many other services provided, Compliance First Incorporated also offers services in hazardous materials, regarding both reviewing and determining classifications. Each chemical is different and requires a hazard classification. After the classifications for the hazardous materials have been determined, we are then able to help our clients decide which storage options would be best. It is always important that a company take any form of hazardous materials extremely seriously. Handling these materials properly could prevent serious safety issues in the future. It is important to make sure that employees are knowledgeable about the requirements for dealing with specific hazardous items and that they take the utmost care to handle them safely. Chemical classifications. When classifying any hazardous material, it is important that this step is done correctly and with care. If a hazardous material is not classified correctly, it will also mean that when it gets packaged or labeled or handled, that it will not be done correctly. When classifications have been done incorrectly, they can result in injuries to those directly dealing with the materials and those around or exposed to the materials. Industries of note. There are various industries that have a greater cause for concern when it comes to hazardous materials. These industries include the following: warehousing, food servicing, manufacturing, automotive, material handling, apparel, tires, plastics, industrial, pharmaceutical, chemical, powder coating/anodizing, hazardous occupancy room. While other industries may also handle hazardous materials, these are generally the most common. One common issue is exceeding the exempt amounts of chemicals. If exceeded, it requires you to have a hazardous occupancy room, also known as an H room. Compliance First Incorporated is able to help negotiate with the proper authority to eliminate the need for an H room or other required items generally required when exceeding the exempt amount. As long as you are able to provide us with an accurate inventory of the hazardous materials, how they are utilized, how they are stored, MSDS sheets, and the locations of the facility detailing how the chemicals are used and how they are stored, we will be able to help determine what is right for you. Additional services. Other services we offer for hazardous materials include hazardous material and chemical classifications for hazardous materials inventory statement, MIS, and hazardous materials management plan, HMMP. Inventory reporting for hazardous materials inventory statement, MIS, and hazardous materials management plan, HMMP. Flammable storage evaluation. Combustible storage evaluation. High hazard H occupancy and special uses. Laboratory, pharmaceutical, manufacturing, and research safety evaluation. Fire sprinkler design. Hazardous material storage options. Fire code compliance analysis. Fire code compliance reports. Fire hazard risk analysis. Fire and life safety evaluations. The 30 flammable liquid analysis. Hazardous material storage. Hazardous material handling and use. Toxic and highly toxic requirements and safety evaluation. Hazardous materials business plans, BIP. Risk management plans. Fire code permitting alternative methods. At Compliance First Incorporated, we offer numerous services that will help your company ensure the safe use of any hazardous materials. We work with you to develop a clear plan and outline solutions that are easily able to be implemented in your workplace to ensure the safety of your employees.